adjustable camping chair, and this chair can hold up to 330 pounds. This will be great for ball games, hanging out by the pool, camping. Let's see what's all included. So the top of the canopy actually is a backpack, and it's got adjustable straps down here. I just got this chair unpacked, and let me show you how easy this thing is to set up. And just like that, I got shade. This thing is awesome. Super easy to set up. So let me show you some of the features this chair has. It's got a cup holder on the side. It's got a side pocket for storage. It's got a headrest, which this headrest is also removable. And the canopy top is actually the backpack. It's got the straps on it when you pack it up.